Hey, good morning everybody. I hope you're having an excellent day. Today we're going to be making something that's called chilaquiles. And for them, we need a couple of ingredients. One of them is going to be red sauce. So some people can make it or you can just buy it on the market. We also need tomato sauce. Or Velveeta, if you know it, it's tomato sauce. And the most important thing, it's chips. We need chips. Also, we're going to need a small container. And we need a plate, so where we're gonna put our chips. Okay, so once you get your tomato sauce and your salsa, we're gonna mix them up inside the container. This is gonna go into the stove, and we're probably gonna leave it about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're gonna be starting to add some water. It all depends how thick you want your salsa mix in there. Now, once that's done, it's gonna boil. So you're gonna leave it boil to a certain point. Then you're gonna add some chips, a good amount of chips that you think you're gonna eat onto the plate. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pour that salsa on top of your chips. And now those are chilaquiles now. So you can add sour cream. You can add, if you like cheese, shredded cheese, you can just add out some shredded cheese. There's people that like to add eggs with them, or bacon or whatever, So we're gonna make those, and now I'm gonna show you the end result. Is that okay? Okay, stay with me. Hey, what's going on? Okay, so now we need to open this. So we can do it with the cutters. Just cut them, just like that. And we'll add them to our plate. Okay? Normally, this is the way we add them. We add them all in. Oh, come on, dude. Nah, we just add them. And then we can just throw them out, right? I need to cut that scene. Okay, so we'll just, pour the salsa in. And we need to turn the stove on, of course. And because that is really thick, I need to add some water. Just some, not much. There we go. It's just a couple of drips of water. And then you're gonna need a spoon so I can stir. You need to stir this right. Okay. So while we're waiting for that, we're gonna add some chips to our plate, okay? And I can actually just show you here. It's gonna be much better. So what you want to do is you want to, put them. You want to put them, like, really distributed. So when you pour the salsa, it's gonna, be on top of everything. So normally this is how it looks. It's just like a chip plate, but it's gonna have salsa. And because I really like mine, it's gonna add a couple more. Wow, just like that. Now let's get back to this salsa, right? So that has to boil, and you gotta stir it. Okay, that still needs to get done. So, okay, so I'm finishing stirring this because it's almost time, Remember I said it takes like 5 or 10 minutes to be ready? I didn't lie. It's really fast. It's really fast and easy to make chilaquiles for everybody, but you probably want to make them for yourself. Right? Okay. So, for me, I like to add some mozzarella on mine. So, how does that do to do it? I just made a mess, but I added mozzarella to my cheese. I added cheese to my chilaquiles. Look at that. Oh, that looks tasty, right? Okay. Now, I'm just gonna close this back. Now it's time for the salsa. Yeah, I know. Okay. So it's time for the salsa. The salsa is really hot. You gotta be careful. That is a warning. And then you start pouring in. See? Like that. And then start adding it again. Like that. See? See how they look? You can add salsa to your desire, because you got plenty. So probably this portion is like for 2 or 3 people. But this is for just 1 people. This is just for 1 person. That's me. Okay. So let's do it. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh man. I should show you the camera. This looks really, really damn good. You know? Look at that. Oh, chilaquiles. Look at this. Huh? Now, I still need to add sour cream, because sour cream, it's something else that gives a little more taste to them. So, I like to add all the salsa to mine. You know, it's just like, pour it down. Oh, yeah. That's it. Now, I'm gonna add sour cream, baby. And then just you add the sour cream to your to your liking. Like I like mine with a lot sour cream. I put more sour cream, and then you just spread it out a little. You just spread it out, and voila. I got my breakfast made myself under 10 minutes. So, remember, you just need tomato sauce, a bag of salsa, chips, a plate. You need to boil the salsa here. And you can add whatever you want, okay? So thank you so much, guys, for watching this. I'm gonna see if I can learn to make more videos. This was supposed to be a live stream, but hell, let's just make a video, okay? So keep cooking, and thank you so much for watching this. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. If you like video games, follow me. If you like music, check out my music, JM Tech Z Music. And I hope God bless you all. Have a good one and enjoy. If you're making chilaquiles, drop a comment in the section. Let me know how yours came out, okay? Have a good one. Bye. Bye-bye. Esto fue JM Tech Z for you. And have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Oh, se acabó mi... So I actually had a power outage after making that video. And just so everybody knows, I'm still enjoying my chilaquiles. So far, I'm half of them, okay? So, have a wonderful day. Mm. Mm. Mm.